two men invested 1,200,000 cedis and 1,800,000 cedis in a business. How should they share a profit of 300,000 cedis if they agree to share it in the proportion to their investments? So two men made investments. Now, since we are dealing with proportion with respect to their investments, that means we're taking the first man's investment to the second man's investment. So we have first man is to second man. Okay, first man is to second man. Now, what was the amount they invested? The first man invested 1,200,000. The second man also invested 1,800,000 cedis. So since we are going to share the profits, which is 300,000 cedis, in the ratio of the amount that they invested, and that means we have to reduce it to the simplest ratio form. Okay, so the 3 zeros cancels the 3 zeros in here, 2 zeros cancels 2 zeros, and we are left with what? 12:18. We can further simplify the ratio, and that will give us 2:3. Why? Because 6 divides what? 6 divides 12 2 times, 6 divides 18 3 times. So this will serve as the ratio. Great. Now let's find the total ratio. Total ratio will be equal to 2 plus 3, and that will give us 5. We were given profits. The profit from the question was giving us what? 300,000 cedis. Good. So now let's go ahead and find each man's share. So the first man's share will be equal to this ratio, which is 2 divided by total ratio 5 multiplied by the profit 300,000. Then we can reduce it. 5 divides itself 1, 5 divides 30, which is what? 6. Then we add the 3 zeros, giving us what? 60,000. So we multiply 2 by 60,000, and that will amount to 120,000 cedis. So that is the share for the first man. Now let's find the share for the second man. So the second man's share will be equal to his ratio 3 divided by the total ratio, which is 5. Then we multiply by 300,000 cedis. Then we do the same reduction, and that is giving us what? 60,000. Then we multiply the 3 by the 60,000, and that is amounting to 180,000 cedis. So the first man received a portion of the profits, which was 120,000 cedis. The second man received a portion of the profits, which was 180,000 cedis. So that is the amount they all received as their share from the profit they made through the investment that they made.